Hi there, in this episode we will publish the cart that we have built and we will take a look at the analytics that the cart provides. So let's get started. When the main cart layer is selected, as you can see in the layer panel, this is the content layer that holds all the content within, from the header to the field and the empty state. Looking at the right side, we can see that there's an active interaction. So let's click on it, and then we can see that there's an effect. And the effect is open overlay regarding the cart, so how the cart opens. And right here, we can choose between different animations, as in how the cart will open. We can, for example, also choose slide, where it slides from the left, or we can choose any other animation that we want. I personally like the float animation, since it combines the movement with the opacity change, as you can see right now. Then we can set the direction. Perhaps you've built your cart to come in from the right, then you set the direction to the right, and we can change the distance, so from how far the cart is animated in. These settings work for this cart, so now let's focus on publishing. What you have to do to publish is click on published. Right here you can go into advanced options and choose to which team you would like to publish. I would like to publish this to my live team, so no need to change that. Just click on publish cart. And there we go, the cart has been published. And right now, to make your life a lot easier, let's open up the settings of this cart. So we scroll down, we click on the three dots and open up our cart settings. And right here we have two options. First of all, to set as main cart. When you enable this, this cart will be published as the main cart of your Shopify team. And then underneath we can find the instant cart actions. When this option is toggled on, all the cart actions on your instant layouts and in your entire Shopify team will now activate the instant cart drawer automatically. So every, for example, add to cart button you have on a product will then open up the instant cart drawer. This is great and saves you a lot of time. In the case that you don't want this, we can also do it manually. That way you select a button, for example, this one right here. You head over to interactions. Let's quickly delete the action that is right there. Then you select open cart, and right here you can either choose to open the cart page, the instant cart, or your custom cart. For now, let's set back the normal action we want. Go to checkout, open up the settings again. The instant cart actions is toggled on, and let's set it as our main cart. When we click on it, we get another pop-up saying that this layout will be our main team's cart. So the cart will be added as a footer section and can be unset at any moment after publishing. So if you want to change anything or build a new cart with instant, you can also, of course, do this. For now, let's click on the final publish button. And there we have it, the layout is published as our main cart. Now let's head over to our Shopify store. Here you can see my Shopify store, and if we click on this cart icon, the cart drawer should open. So let's do it, and there we have it. The empty state of the cart that we have built in Instant is now live on our Shopify store. It's showing the empty state because there is no product in the cart. So let's quickly do that. We scroll down, and let's add this product right here to our cart. And now we can see the filled state of the cart with everything that we have designed. From the free shipping bar to the product items, the product upsell slider, checkout button, and the payment icons that are supported. Let's quickly unlock free shipping. Now 22 euros and 10 cents away. One more click and then another click. And as you can see, free shipping is unlocked. Now let's go into the analytics of the cart. When the cart is published, you will see all of your analytics. So what you will see is cart revenue, add-on revenue. This is the revenue that has been added extra to the cart from within the cart drawer. Then the average order value, the cart conversion rate, and the total orders. We can see this data in days, weeks, months, and quarters. And then we can pick a certain time frame that we want and then compare it to a previous period or not. As we scroll down, we can also see 3 important metrics: the average order value of our cart, the add-on revenue, so the extra revenue that we have generated through the instant cart, and then the total orders. Below that, we can see the funnel, so how customers move through the checkout from cart drawer opens to checkout reached and to checkout completed. And this will give you a great view on the performance of the cart you have built with Instant, and will also enable you to spotlight anything that you might want to change. Maybe the conversion is a bit low or the add-on revenue is low. Then you can tweak the design in Instant and publish it again to your Shopify store and see the difference. And that's it for this episode. So I hope you have a good understanding on how to publish your cart and what to do with the analytics that come out of the box with this feature. So thanks for watching this episode and good luck with building your cart.